Teach him now go look back in her life, cause him no love what I go on. Him girl left him, through him run out a can. She move out in fridge and in TV and gone. Which part she gone, me say over Greenwich Farm. Choop, 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 me say she gone in a train. Gone live with a old man, me say we over Spain. When teach him hear that, me know him a feel pain. Teach him. We say the more girl you get, the more girl you want. You are done in the town and you have the talk. You have them know and you have them pack up. Me looking at the streets and me see them bungle up. So when me look, me see them from all angle. Girl in rectangle and in triangle. Me even see the girl in my farmer circle. And one thing with them say they have a title. Cause the more girl me get, the more girl me want. And that, all of the girl with a fat piece of property jump around and dance and show me. When we talk about property, me no mean the one a country where grow ackee tree, coffee, cane and jelly.
I am here vibing with one of the foundation entertainers in the business. His parents named him Newland Blackwood, but we know him as
Screechy Joe. Up, up, up. When Screechy touch the road, the girl say we unique. Girl say we them on the front of the Jeep. Not teach them how do it. Yeah man, teach them there, you know.
my thing, man.
Up, up, up.
They said to teach them how to do it, the girl on the front of the Jeep. Yeah, man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Teach them a touch the road, the girl them say him unique. Girl them see him them on the front of the Jeep, yeah. I teach them how do it. She want the big tree stump fi sink in her front. When the girl a get him and she don't stop ground. Big tree stump fi sink in her front. When the girl a get him and she don't stop ground. Under the tree stump. And the girl no stop ground car. She tell me say that she tired of the rattler. She tell me say she no want a home turn. I want the big tree stump fi sink in her front. Up there, up there, up there.
Yeah, Father Screechy. Say all is well.
Yeah man, we
The
there.
man come out look fresh.
Yeah man. We always have a fresh car. We don't stop exercise. Every day we do it.
Mad, mad, mad. Talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Yeah, I'm born in a little district near Newport District and St. Catherine there.
Yeah?
Yeah man. 9th of April 1965.
1965. Yeah, I was born in Independence, brother. Which name era Newport that close to?
You have to go through, when you go backward, you make a right turn, you go to Riversdale.
Oh.
Yes, near Williamfield, Hampshire, you know?
Okay, cool.
You can go through this and go Richmond.
Okay.
I near a little place, 25 minutes, I take go down, sail, boom, bam. Reach back at town and I check my people.
Yeah. How many brothers and sisters?
I have 19 brothers and 14 sisters.
9.
Yeah, man. my father, them under sample man, you know.
That power sample, brother.
Train?
Train.
It was conductor upon train.
Yeah.
Like I have conductor upon bus.
Okay.
So the man, they know, like from Kingston. The train go from Kingston to Portland.
Okay.
So from now, if it not go Kingston to Portland, it go from Kingston to Montego Bay.
Yes.
So if it not work from Kingston to Portland, it work from Kingston to Montego Bay.
Yeah.
So you have some place down named the Alt, at the bus stop.
Yes.
Everywhere the train stop, the man that bad, you know, say, are you there, sir? So from town to Portland, my brother and sister. From town to Montego Bay.
Brother and sister.
Yeah, so my life, child.
19 brother.
Yeah, man.
14 sister.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the man I man. When I look at my father, the man that a conductor about a serious man.
Serious man.
Yeah. One little thing that when I left all the while, I said, I'm not doing that. And he play crown and anchor too, you know. So, you know, he have to be stepper. But if you take the train and a bad move, him stop it and put it up. But if you do them good, him carry you town. Yeah, man.
All the brothers, and you know, you have met all brothers and sisters?
Yeah, man.
And all of them are still around or
3 sisters died.
pass on?
Yeah.
And my condolences.
But the whole of the brother them dead.
Them still dead.
No, one brother dead.
One brother
He
dead.
die in England and him come home, man. I look at thing like man, some people so stab them and come right down home, they carry him to the grave.
Sorry for hear that. Mommy and daddy
pass
on.
Yeah.
My condolences, man.
Yeah, man, my family big, you know, different from that. The brother on the other side, by my mother's side, can't name out neither, enough from 14 or 15. Family big, man, on the 2 sides. My 2 set of family, them
Yeah.
Them bad na them time.
Bad at them
man.
time. Bad at them time. Where did they attend school?
Yeah, man, one little school in the district then in Yearwood. Nearby me there.
Yes. All age school.
Yearwood, all age school.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so that's school I'm go. But from me I go school, similar like the music thing.
Yes.
I have an uncle named John. When I look at like 9, 10, he go DJ for my little son. But them play on a Sunday night. So he always carry me. And I see him hold the mic and cut them time there, a daddy ride.
Daddy right.
The big man there. Wow, chick up. And I'm a DJ but and talk and things so. So in a school, I go to school like concert.
Yes.
Yeah, me DJ for the school and them things there. Me talk no rhythm, you know. Yeah, we just
Acapella.
DJ, yeah, acapella style. Cause no rhythm not there for the DJ. I mash it up. Plus now me a good runner for the school.
Oh, you used to run?
Yeah, me a cricketer for the school. Yeah, my thing at the school, official, me a everything at the school. Them all suspend, the principal suspend,
Sure.
them still have. You know, we get some little trouble as you to bad and that little something there. Bust up head and them something there. So principal suspend me and when I sport time come up and cricket time I have to come.
You still have to go.
Them have to come for me.
Yeah, star.
The teacher hide and come for me and the principal. Them say she know about she a peep. Cause she know want the school also. After the school now, so me can come in and think win for them and them something and think. Yeah man.
You said you have a million brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
How many of them were actually at home with you growing up?
Alright, well, my father get 5 with my mother. 4 girls, 1 boy. But my yard now is a yard like this now. My grandmother she sell fish.
Yeah.
My mother igla. So my pot of my yard them big. Cause my grandmother now
Food always a cook.
as bad as thing do no mean with food, don't forget people food. So my yard always full. Anyway she go and she like a pit when I know if you live. She carry them in, so me end up going like around 6 different boy in the yard and 6 different girls. We had them and a brother and sister by blood.
But
we but through we grow get big, enough people don't know we left the yard little until now we are brother and sister. If we don't tell people, them
They
don't
don't
know.
know. What was it like though, from a financial perspective though?
No man, we grow over people, I don't like them in the rich, but I don't really grow struggle. My people them have things. That's what I tell you, my grandmother sell fish.
Yeah, I
So all of them here, I don't tell you, we have to go through for go down on my
Right.
yard.
She has
You see,
supplied
all of
them
them
here.
China man there, we have them wholesale there. I see supply them with fish. So she not pay money for get nothing from them. And them time they when them a keep dance, them give them liquor and them things so she just drop her fish and walk and collect. So everybody know my grandmother like that. Then my mother now do igloring. My father now a big conductor upon train. We go pick up the box. My father, I don't know him do it, you know. But from town to Portland and from town to Montego Bay, the man make box go down every Friday night, you know. With an envelope with a little money upon it, you know. Yes, how him do it? All of them here, I tell you about to them pit there. The man pack a box, we have a Chinaman down. We have a Chinaman downtown.
Yeah.
Because we are looking at you now, we cannot get big now. 14. As I go 15 now, my brother them and my sister them downtown. So my next brother now, come for me. And say, come at town. Because you can't DJ better than me and thing and come at town, but me I learn body work.
Oh, okay, cool now.
Yeah, because my mother is tell me, say, you can't go town coughing.
You learn a trade.
Yeah, my brother now a mechanic. My next brother now a welder. That him sing to him name Ground Fire, you know.
Ground Fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm always among Sizzler, him name Highway and them look at you there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Him usually name Rapper Robert in night time. You see one tune name Tonight. Son is
Rapper Robert.
Tonight
Name
the
from
sun is gonna die. Yeah. And song like that and sing. So.
Your brother.
Yeah, him came in and answer and come at town. Because him live with one extreme family.
Yes.
So when me come at town now, me I learn, in came around garage. And me I learn body work. Me take on quick too. I will and I put on potty. But me a DJ sound at the meantime when me I do that. So me carry the CD them, the cassette them time there, go play on them, you them in the garage yet them and say, yo, if I'm like him left the work, why you do them hard work and you sound so good and me I say, nah man. Cause when me go down at night time go DJ on the sound, a sound name upset a sound, scratch a sound.
Which part of town that was?
McDonald Lane. I live at Waltham Park. You know.
Waltham.
Oh,
Waltham you did there?
Yeah, Waltham
Okay.
me live them time as a youth. So my next brother-in-law now, Bill Sonny and Pisces down at St. Catherine.
So I pick up Yellow Man and Johnny Ringo them. For go down the DJ, so he start pick me up to long as a youth. Now I look van back on my stairs, so. So I go down and DJ, Yellow Man said to me, so where you name youth? And I tell him, man, and give me the mic and stand up one side and say, youth, you sound good. And my DJ and I say, yo, you sound good, man. And Ringo a DJ after Yellow Man arrest and Wilton I read it and Ringo said
So
to me,
Ringo, Welton,
Ringo,
Yellow.
yeah. I mean, as a little youth there, so Ringo said to me, so come here, I'm going to go to him and him say, you know, so I will DJ them sit down. I you sound the best. I want to go dance with that girl. So hold the mic and a DJ. I'm a DJ, so I have that cassette and I play. So when I go play that cassette, you know, me as a youth, mouse them man there now. Someone I said, no man,
Yeah, star.
I should have me can do them thing and her, so I just left the work here, sir. And talk about music all out, you know.
Yes.
But me a DJ upset a sound and we are go all about that Herald Scotch a sound. Herald Scotch and my family.
Herald Scotch,
Yeah,
your
we do
family.
watch in a corner, yeah. So when we look at youth now, I'm first now I come a country from town now and big star and the beaver, them and I ride him little under 50, tell him go to a Z90 and we say, well, so we say from a family, big in IT.
You can reach to.
Yeah, so when me come out town on the Walton Park now, him, me end up the monks again.
Scotcha.
Yeah, man, Tony Tough,
Tony
Barry
Tough.
Brown, Jim Riley, Philip Fraser, Chistan Pam. Come here and Chistan
You can be a star, you're the
yeah,
run,
man,
brother.
Chistan and Little John grew now.
Yeah?
Yeah, me, Chistan and Little
Little
John,
John.
all of we grew now. Yeah, man. All of we grew on them things because when you hear about youth promotion, you know,
Yeah.
we always want to look at youth, I go youth promotion on Sugar Miner too.
Youth man promotion.
Yeah, 'cause Sugar Miner there, we go across Maxwell, Richmond Park. You can go over there, so through on a McKinley Crescent on a field
Right.
park there, so. So when you go in there, so on a field park and go on a females now, you can come back across through and come back to Maxwell, so they're on a McDonald lane that a West Carter there. Channel 1, they down the road down the stuff. So them studio that we are going down and they have a gate man down at Channel 1, him name Zebi, you know. You have to can DJ good as sing,
Pass
let
him.
him now let the pass one look old man, you know. But now we smart them time, they meet upside there man, him send me a shop. So him send me a shop and I go shop now and meet up there. Him say, go on and look at you, guy. You have to smart from long time and someone say, oh, you're going and him say, don't tell the man how me let you in, you know. So when someone asks me, I have to hold it. Come here, look at you, when me that Walton Park, now the greats after greats, them, you know. I live at Chisholm Avenue, I say Oakland, Chisholm Avenue, right at Walton Park. You have a record shop up there, so I produce a name, Light Matadors, him little come up on Walton Park Road. And the big dancer name, okay, Carol down the road. Because P star there, so when we come home, I winter my sister and see, right at the corner at Chisholm Avenue, you see Dillinger, Trinity, Lee Van Cleef, Louis Lepke, Pupa Tayan, Trinity have an ex-brother when name, Clint Eastwood. He made runway and gonna find, but them call him Flickmore, because P vest him wear.
They call him?
Flickmore, kind trash.
Flickmore.
Yeah, kind trash.
Yeah.
Yeah, and him always clean. So when you come as youth, that's under this, so a P star, so you have to stop and look on some man. Because them time the danger are the man, you know.
Man.
Can bring in a car near space, you know. The car make out a glass, you know. A glass the car, that's the whole Jamaica. The
Straight
car.
glass.
Spacer. When him a drive past, you see him through it, you know. Them time them do the tune and say, cocaine in my brain. I want to show you, say, Dillinger, the first DJ, we got bigger Jamaica.
Yeah.
We got British and Billboard, cocaine in my brain. I told more time the man them give this shit, them don't want to talk it. That Dillinger the man. Before in the CB 200 and them tune there. And them sang, they please Mr. Lee. Then time they know, we each upside of them man, if them man they send we a shop. You have an next artist where you do one tune and say, Ronnie Williams never like Miss Lou. That's a Jack Sour.
Jack
We
Sour.
do a one song and the song mash up the place.
Jack Sour was an artist, because I know Jack Sour was a video man.
Yeah, but I'm do that song there. He was DJ. But he get kind of little sick out and come back and thing and
Okay.
he never the DJ. And, but when we are youth now, I go them and they sell weed. Wrap it in a little brown paper. So then we go buy paper bag for wrap them weed in and wear and thing and them a DJ and they have a next DJ named Danny J, the Reverend.
Danny Jed.
First girl I have when I love man, Danny J man, she big arm man.
Danny,
Beast
take
pan the
you
girl.
away.
Him take her around when he see the girl pregnant. I say, weird, John will come like me now get her again. Cause bigger DJ thing going on.
Yeah, man.
So you know a league thing about. So the thing go man, yeah man.
Yes.
Cause we coming at 13, now, Kingston 13.
Kingston 13.
Yeah man. At the music town man. Cause you have 82 Chisholm Avenue where all like big dance and keep. You have 5 Waltham Avenue around there so. you have OK Ram Jam, and you have down the road, you have Afrobeat Land. Then before you come to Adley Park, they're coming up all the time, you have an next place named Eagle's Nest. Then when you cross the sun, come over now, the youth original fixed by it named Lees Unlimited up the road.
Lees Unlimited.
That's when I saw now me see Papa Son as a local youth. And I said, I look youth, I look like it. So everybody now go listen to Papa Son. And I'm like a kangalat, little youth, them have put him on a box. And my DJ and I mash up the place and I said, no sir. Him bad than all of the big DJ then.
Yeah?
Yeah, so Lees Unlimited and Volcano play a skate land now. And we say we have to go to dancer. You know Volcano and Henry Junja. So every DJ, Joseph Will, this, Chaplin, Louis Lepke, every DJ can come on Volcano song because the biggest producer in Jamaica. And everybody around there. And Papa Son come to dance tonight and I see look at you all mic and say, talking parrot them, my son talking parrot them, I that. Take them up, them off your potato and back eat them, pray them. And I look over Volcano sound as I youth, I never forgot. I don't say no DJ, I look over that flea go back and 1 year shadow one. All big name gone. I say, no. So I start listening to me, I say, because to me, son, I baddest DJ. You know?
Son, I baddest
DJ. When Son come, remember Son coming, them turn them front way, them turn them back way. I when I read him done in my life.
I'm still a spit.
Yeah, no DJ couldn't test Son. A Ninja Man come kill Son boy at Fort Clarence. And take away the ratings from Son and became the killer. But Son was the killer before Ninja Man, where everything dead. More time we got some dance when all jammings are play. Brother Area said to me, Screechie, I want to mind if our Son pass tonight. You know? I say more time when Son pass, most of the DJ them from Son come, they really man
take one themselves.
Then go hide.
So the mic cannot get work.
No, Son will give the mic as Son like we as a youth.
Yes.
So if any hold the mic out then it cannot free up and we can get the mic out. And I like now, them youth are bust easy in a mic shot in a time, you know that. Mic thing not easy for all like that, you know. And voice in recording in my life. And months and days and years, I got a studio to try voice and record. More time the man them channel one will sleep at night, Dynamics will sleep at night, Tough Gang will sleep at night. Rona Tubby stay late. Because no whole studio never there about.
Right.
RJ there about.
RJ.
Yeah. So RJ wrote that thing named Addition every Thursday. When the country, the youth them come in from country and them play rhythm and DJ. So out of the package and come, the youth them pass, invite them back and produce. Anybody I saw him produce. RJ, yeah. Yeah, man.
A history class, I can't go to Screechie.
Then a history book you running.
Yeah, they tell me, say, you have a history there for Tuesday.
Yes, sir, man. Most of the man them don't want to talk this. Most of the man talk in favor of themselves. The man have to talk history, you know.
Yes, Rasta.
I saw it going, I remember, you know. I got a place named King Restaurant, you know. We upset, I said, me, Errol Scotch, a DJ named Errol Scorpion, Michael Spinners. See? And we go down there. We are DJ and I dance and I used to say to myself, I used to have a bad DJ, I give him a talk after the mic. But my friend and his Scorpion and my mic shot, I always have a cuss him and things. So more time when the youth them are joking on the side and I beg a piece. If
you youth them around.
You can love mic. So more time when I see him go on, I have to hold the mic and get the youth them. So the youth that I beg the mic, but through the youth they tell me about him. Go and bring him in and made the youth say, well, no dreadlocks. The way the man voice powerful, I have to look at him and say, please. So I say, where your name? And he say, cut your ranking, my name. And I say,
Bama.
I say, you the sound good enough. I mean, my DJ want insect lyrics. It's a child insect. But the man voice so bad, I have to look at him and say, no, sir. This a voice, sir.
So you want to first man get cut the mic?
So I say to him, say, you ever come to town? And him say, he want to come to town. So I say to my Errol Scotch, just like every time we say youth a country, I always care the meaning. So I say, Scotch, I say, that youth a bad, I care, man. I say, every time we go to a country, no one say youth, man care the meaning. I say, no, that youth a son away. So I left King Restaurant and I don't see him back to alone. 4 years time, I pass out a crossroad, I pass the market. And I brother touch me and say, yo, yeah, man, I show to that, I look down and see a man go so. So I say, oh, man, walk on. I say, where I say youth? And I say, no, my dad told me I work in the slaughter market, not the meat market out there. So,
out a crossroad there.
But me up a Gemini, I lift up some box and I say, oh, you mean? I say, it a go work, man. Then I see him back and him say, Jimmy work, him and pay him. So he must take a tweet or something. I don't remember when he sell for Jimmy. Something himself, but I believe Jimmy lock him up. And him left it now and thing and him still end up a come months, and him said to me so nice. You know, say me I buy a mic for myself. Every time I want the mic Scorpion I can't give me, so we book up a 4-link and run a Richard Pier around every Friday night to upset us. So Virgin shall keep a party and him say I buy a mic. And when him come with the mic and plug it in, Scorpion can't DJ in the mic. I don't see him again. Then one day I go to Mandeville and him say, yo, you don't have me there, you know. There's some rich people control a sound.
Stir Mars.
I'm there in the house with the sound, so me I watch the sound and them say me a DJ on it. Never see him back Stir Mars sound. And that is history.
History.
Yeah, man. I go play up we go DJ up a trade you up a tire shop on Apple Tree Road. My brother now, him name Kojo and come from Red Hills Road. Some of them say, you know, sir, he might keep a dance Saturday night at country, so we have to pay for Dr. Ford. And see a little brother come there come sing. When the man hold the mic and say, never see some people beat down the fence. He said, no, sir, the place must have better quench it. I said,
Quench it.
overall and tire. You see your work you. I said, pack your bag, we have a country, man. You're bad. Come with you and carry a country. And then they want tune, Admiral Tibet, they have a tune. I said, to leave people business. And so he have a similar sound to that when me hear him. So we can go to country tonight. I'm just say, pull up. The singer they are live, then they could treat country people. We said the singer they are live and come in and him sing the tune and get be a big forward. And long we not saw him sing it. He just say call on him sing it so him demons, he sing and thing and tell me not see him again. So the sound don't upset a sound. I go on bad now, so I got Clarendon go play now and we got Clarendon go DJ now on Easter Monday. Now on Independent Monday. Me here as Scorcher, Barry Brown, a youth named Corporal Timber Scorpion, next to it named Dazzler, Michael Spinners. Because I find them Barry Brown is kind of sick, but he can't sing or he can't go to the dance. Tony Tough, got the dance. So I reach at the dance now. And I said, weird. We reach at the dance, fine idea, but anytime we go DJ a sound, anytime from now we drive up in the country. So we always find a yard, where that's so we are going to press the clothes.
Right.
And all our vibes and cook local food. So yard we find all our vibes and cook the food. The girl say, I have a singer, I have a cousin who is a singer, you know. So I want you to give me the mic, look more. I say, yeah man, they don't find no place to stay. But you say I'm a fisherman. I'm out of the sea. So in the night now, that dance I look most my name is DJ, you know. I forced me to see so much trapping, you know. As a man, remember a town where I come from.
Yeah.
And that thing I go sing on a Rocky Pint. And I said, look, man, in my town a joke when a million strapping. So the man them broke back up on the wall and fire shot for forward. I saw them ball for forward in another dance there. So the girl come and say, see me, you know. So I mind explain it to the DJ. So I say, give that youth a sing off my mic, that a Scorpion. I'm dead. So I take the mic from him and DJ one song and bring in the youth. And I bring in the man and him go so, zoogie zoongie zoongie zoogie zoom zing zoom zoom. Whole place smash up. So I say, pull up. I say, where in your mind? I say, Cocotti. So I go so and look on him. Mash up the place tonight, because no whole DJ couldn't hold the mic. To a Cocotti I did the place and a female. You can't hold the mic.
Right.
So choose Scorpion and mic start every time in try to go so. So true from then time I know me smart car. I know for the thing from long time as I know. So I just say, pull up. And I just say, you see where you're bad. Then pack your bag and carry your guy town with me. And you hear me too? Until you come and town me, I do the first combination. We have started from tonight. Sing your part. And him sing a piece and me jump in and get a big forward. So it's when I get a big forward, I the in back to the people. So I can work in between the people. So the dance done now and we dead and I see me and say, you know say everybody ever come to town and him say, one time I come to town. So I say which part and him say, over came on a track and I say to him say, when I reach a town with you, send catch you and come back. Around 2 weeks after that when I tell about, Volcano got down there to play in the Jungle Laws as a big producer. And he come there and sing and bomb up the place.
And Jungle grab him.
Give him fee and tell him to come to town the Monday morning.
Cocotti.
And he come sing Sonia.
So
Yeah, man. Sanchez, no my friend to man, where I go dance, man. No man can cook the food good like Sanchez. So,
bad chef.
yeah, man. When we reach our dance, I'm saying, oh, cook the food. And I look at Brown sing a youth. Man say, my lad, I'm not telling you, say, no man if you touch the food, but because you cook the chicken back like a curry goat. Because 3 singers me around me, you know. Me have Santos, me have Quenchade, and me have a thing named Michael Spinners.
Michael
Singing
Spinners.
melody there around, but him not come yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm soon tell about film part. Him not come yet. So we gotta dance at night time. Them man what me tell about, you know. We gotta dance at night time, you know. Then couldn't hold Michael Spinners, you know.
Can't hold Spinners.
I have to wonder.
What happened to him?
Yeah.
Is
Yeah, man,
he still around?
Yeah, man, around and still have sing enough though, but when Spinners come at night time, man, I tell you, man, I believe say, went to a session last Saturday night. I book a girl, him name is Tomorrow. After she get me, she a wheel and turn and shoot. Yeah, man. And time Sanchez a sing. On a Saturday night, yeah, man, we got a country, a pepper, man, because painting happen, Sanchez make up, we never get paid one night, because we him sing nice. A pretty brown girl like him and the boss girl and the boss, so we know. So I say, I never know so she likes Sanchez.
No
so
money.
Say, yeah, so I'm not pay that weekend. So some my next brother now when you're going fire and come in and tell him, say, yo, no care you go somewhere you can make money upon thing and dub plate. I say, yeah, sir. So you can't be down at King Jammins.
Yeah.
So I'm going down King Jammins now.
Who care down at Jammins?
Ground fire.
Ground
Fire. At time I tell you, say, can't mean and say, welder and rare. So,
right.
Yeah, come here and him.
So may I ask you a question? Before you go down at Jammins, you did actually voice it?
Yeah, man,
officially?
Yeah, man, I spar with Scratcher them, man, Errol Scratcher and Tony Tough, man.
So what was the first song you actually? What was the first?
Angel give me angel give me strength. The strength of angel give me make me strong like lion. And one next one I say, I go send for pretty girl for enter beauty contest. My voice them tune them for Scratcher, but he never put them out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we are DJs still and a DJ, so
right,
tell
right.
Yeah. And we are some little long them start voice Jatamas, Devil Father. Yeah, the man start carry gas through and voice and put up on some all-star and thing and so we did it and Ground Fire said to me, say, I can't go down a place and you make money off a dub plate. I said, dub plate, and the man said, yeah man. Come see man I do it, but true we are DJ 45 and a DJ sound. That dub plate thing they never. So I go down there and I say, be a man at the dub plate, I go down there and I say, turn to I them and Johnny and get to like me, because when Johnny got a friend and I come back, him can't to look up close to me, because Johnny was the man, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, Johnny was the man. With Johnny in a year, Johnny they have a style. So I'm good to know, I say a son name, Squad 51. In a city come there day too. So Ground Fire got some dog for a son man named Rhythm Force at Miami where I work for. So him now can't be down there, so I do 4 tune for him now. So I wheel out them 4 tune now. In a city and Squad 51 at the studio and I say, who him? Him sound away. So them man then now take 2 tune from me. So that man they take 2 tune from me now and give me $150, and man they give me $150. Me I say, 3 bills. I'm a DJ for all the whole weekend.
And
$40, 3 bills. You know, so them now move me from here, so.
that's it.
Yeah, so them can't move me from here, so. Yeah, because DJ run sound cannot cut out now. Because before that, we just go a country go DJ enough sound and thing. Even Black Cat, when Black Cat come here, one of the first DJ, Patron, Tony said Ground Fire there, Prince Junior them.
Black
Papa
Cat.
San, and we first got when Black first night it's
Papa San was at Black Cat before creation?
Yeah, San, remember San a big DJ when freelance, you know, people pay him to come DJ.
Oh, okay.
Guests, you know. And enough of the man them all about and thing, you know. So now them youth are now coming with barrel Black Cat, barrel of Clarks, barrel of this way, you go down go DJ, them pay send rental for you. And give Clarks, Kangal, the silk shirt, them and them thing down where so. No, so a rich life for this. Then time that juggling not take over it, you know. DJ
Yeah,
for DJ this round, you know. Yeah, man. I have an ex-brother down at Portland, them name Taros. Some cool with them out there, which they sell rental for it. Down a sentence bet now, Dan one. The man I know what love politics, so certain time now. After a while long, my son upset her. So them not give me no big money. When them countrymen a come for me, I rental them a come. And give me 150 years, me I say, big money this. So our son can't see we gone a country. That's why good time I got hustle, because them time they know, the man them tell you say the yard where you learn the trade, you can't get no big money there.
Yeah, all of
you have
that.
to go carry food coming out.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man, now we can't go book, man, because You know, so I drive me, I go in one night, I left Silom. I go in one Thursday night. And here I youth, my name, Chris up him, I play one tune. But all the tune sound, I said to myself, that tune is body, man. You know, say, how do that tune? If that tune come a dance all and play, it will be one of the biggest songs, you know. So I made this song in a Friday morning, you know, I made it. So I come and sue them on the man and I tell the man, say, I hear a tune on the radio night when I go in Friday morning, early morning. Any man will sing that song there. That song there, the biggest song. So Kirk will sell food now. If you drive, Kirk will drive and sell food. Set time I tell them, the food man Kirk, driving at the studio, I play the set song and I say, sleep me and say, hear the song I talk about. I would then listen to the song. So I say, how would that song there? Because man will sing the song, me and him as a DJ. He say, you know, so Jimmy Riley son Taros Riley.
Taros.
I say, DJ one and I say, yeah man, and I say, you know, I'm on the CD. And him say, no.
So hold on, so Taros was a DJ before he started singing?
Yeah, Taros was DJ, man. Yeah, man, all of my memory still. Because me and Jimmy Riley are virgin, so
yeah.
Jimmy Riley came in the studio with him come mixing lab. Then Red Rose and the whole of the man, man, Anthony Malvo, man. Yeah, man. Right when mixing, like, I asked any man, run at them, man. See me, I say, man, I pay history, man. We have the history. Yeah, man.
So yeah, though, how your musical career?
Taros, me I tell you
Oh,
about.
Taros,
Yeah,
alright.
So me hear the song, I'm say, look at the name Black Talent, Kirk has say some food.
Black Talent.
I say, Talent, take the CD out of the van and Talent goes up. Jump the CD out of the van. So Kirk drive out and I'm going to know where to take the CD. 4 tune upon it. So Kirk drive out. Set time with it, I have a CD in my hand. Sky Juice driving. So I say, Sky Juice, just to tell the man about that song. I said, that song, yeah, it will be the biggest song in Jamaica. It will be the baddest song. You're the first man who play it a dancer. Jimmy Riley sons do it, the one who's a DJ, massive now. When you come uptown, when you come play tonight, because uptown Monday are the thing. And Juice said, don't give me, because I'm going to left it somewhere, I keep it, and I carry me, I drive a Nissan. Tall boss, him know the Nissan, can drive it enough time to put it in the glove department. Night come, meet up back with Sky Juice. Footer I play and Sky Juice say, Footer, one song I come to play tonight. One song and drop the Taros Riley. Beware, because the shot, it couldn't come off at the turntable. And I said, and Juice said, I biggest song, I said, Juice, you keep it and come out ready Wednesday night. And you play it ready and we go passa. And Juice come out ready. One song and come for play card. And not him
right.
And drop it. Couldn't come up by the turntable. So we left ready and go passa, setting a passa. A 2 weeks that song they take for big. So yes, so when them interview and them ask him when boss and him I say, why? You know, so them tell me say Sky Juice drop it and Sky Juice tell him say no. It's far on that. You know, so Screechie had the song come, give me for play. So when me see now, I tell him say, Black Talent, I send go tape the CD. So most time you see the man them attack, you can't talk to yourself, it's a package. Fantan Moja the said thing. Watch him come ready with him knapsack on him back. Right through them now play the song, now give no strength. Stand up now ready and see him come. I say, come here you, stand up here sir. Don't move. Give me the CD and hold it on me. As I hold the CD, a Sky Juice again come through the gate. When I tell you can ask Sky Juice, them thing are history, everybody know it. Some say Sky Juice, you know, so that from where they say the youth come here and balcony knapsack on him back. And them a pressure him, go play that song for me. And Juice stop it and say, one song I come for play. Mama hungry and drop it. And it not come off a turntable. From this so it's history. Not the King again. Better bring a gun to
King.
I beg Juice to play it in Asylum. When Stylum, when the dance hall them locked down, Outer Road and Asylum became the dance hall where Stone Love Pierce in there. Where and Juice go jam it steady and play Better Bring a Gun to Town. Yeah man, not the King them and we youth them man. Because them youth they just come check you up and steal it. And they run you and steal your advice them and thing. First time I see this local youth, I sound like Michael Buckley, without Taros.
Taros?
No, different youth I tell you. Taros pass, but I used to book me there, you know. That local youth and the youth sound like Michael Buckley. So I say, what's your name? Like him on the name. I say, from today your name Junior Buckley. And him start sing. So we in Arrows car park a play now. Football, because Arrows have a little car park where we play football. Like that. And they said you to me tell us my name Jonah Buckley. Salad Steely. Kick Steely on him foot. And this, I used to go country boy start kicking on my foot. And him said to Steely, say, you think I kick more and kick up on your foot? I sing more and sing for you. And Steely said, Screechie, him can't sing. And I say, you know, sir, him sound like Buckley. And we give my name Jonah Buckley. Him have a son and Steely said, came up on him shoulder, look more. Ronald having force on that car with the flick up light. Can't ask Ronald this, you know. Me and him and Ronald going I can't up on his shoulder. Skettle just built and Steely vice wrenching shot with him. Bushman and change his name to Bushman. Yeah, man.
Because when they say rhythm there, they say, but the Bushman see the exactly one.
Yeah, well, that we try to tell you. So watch the drama now. I fly up there and I find a voice from the rhythm. I'm up there and see Power come and say, Skettle are the biggest rhythm of Jamaica.
Power man.
Yeah, Power man. Oh, he left his Screechie and a voice. I say, where I say? I said, be a man, I come and I hear the rhythm the man go so now. So me and boom down the mic that is true. And boom, I say, you have to go down feet in a Screechie. So I make the tune from find me and boom, sit down and I say, General Vida was style of say, like at the opera come in. The style that go on. So I say, that style of me have to go on. Hype type of girl with some hype type of style. Hype type. And boom, I saw the thing and boom, give me a couple lines. So when me come down, you know, I hear tune up on the juggling, everything I eat, you know. And me come down and come vice on the juggling, you know, and catch the juggling, you know, and go straight to the chart, you know.
Hype type.
Yeah, man. No ramp, man. VP still them can't tell you. Them time that we do a juggling for VP them, you know, and give VP, you know, and they all I tune and then take pan it, you know.
Right.
Producer and pick where you want, you know. VP never turned down a Screechy Joe.
Never.
Yeah. Them man there, VP and still them tell us, a two DJ at Jamaica. When a vice, I have to EQ them vice. It's Screechy Joe and Reggie again. They bless him soul. Film place with the other interview. Yeah, man, right. Yeah, man.
So Hype Type was your first real hit song?
No, man, remember, we are not from the 80s.
Right, so that...
Remember all them tuna? She want the big tree stump,
Tree stump,
sink in her front, them the 80s, you know. Pam me bar, she dey pam me bar. Me can't get no
Bicycle bar.
Them song, you know what I mean? It's the latest style, the latest lick. If you see the girl pitney, them a muggle in night, the bangle, put up your one and show your bangle. Them tune them man, them tune all, and tune say. She look nice, she full up her shape. She come in like a grape and Jammy's label. After that, Bailey them come in a them pattern. They would do them thing the long time, man. And them a war over the yanka, the girl them a fight. Over the yanka, the girl them love it, the girl them love the yanka. And some song, them song I was dub anthem. All of the girl them with a fat piece of property, jump around and yeah man, inner city and stone love them, because inner city and stone love. Was to set them like I say all Bounty and Beanie and you know what I mean? They are two big city, rival and think and more time we do the dub for inner city. Father Paul, my friend them love him and thing, but boy come like inner city one, you go hard upon it. So no more time the man them screw and I say but them can't screw. Cause all of them attack, and me say where the and me name where the you know. I mean the whole of them attack. Father Paul know, Elephant everybody know, you know. And me say, Ellie, you are the big star now, we want to keep a party because we believe are going on. There's one early thing where Patron them are going with a standpipe. Up the police are come done it. But it, no more whole of a party now keeps up. Waiting on have a place on the same try thing it now. So we said to Father Paul say, Power of the place over there and I said to we say, can just buy it. What we can do for boss yourself. So we did the more time I play them and they build him studio in the car. He moved from down doing the part now and come up the son from Burlington there. And then the son. Because Ellie now we are Ellie Spar, I go all about.
Oh yeah, Ellie used to par.
Yeah man, then we are Ellie Spar, man, right through the artist of Ellie time, man. We are Ellie Spar, we are Ellie Spar, Ellie no rent a wrong move, man. As a man talk, I tell him, Ellie say, yo, no man say nothing to Screechie. At the Ellie around me. Them, anything when I say, anything when I want to ask Ellie, man. Ellie them are really good, man. Yeah, man, Ellie them are our done. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, man. So we did that, I say, Father Paul, lay with the yard, one keep a thing named Raven Wednesday. And I said, boy, Raven. He now go work, and we say, oh, you mean? Say, Ellie come in, because we Ellie Aspire, and we say, Ellie. I said, boy, the name, man, because Anything we are planning at the big star, so we have to put him up front.
Right.
Set time and Bogo walk through the gate and come and we are sir. And Bogo said, nah man, me have a new dance. And ready, because when Bogo make the new dance, he come find me and show it and test before him go road. And so he must show with the new dance, the ready. And we said, no sir, ready it name. So now how we plan that ready thing there now. Every week, it's one of the man them in the clique.
Oh.
Yeah. So it start now. Q started by the liquor them started.
Q45.
Yeah, Q started, man. I remember my manager, man, so I'm there up front and everything. Like Q saying can't bother with it, but remember now I had it.
Right, as a power place.
So Father Paul take it over. So anytime Father Paul on the mic, I said, Weddy was found by me and Elephant and Mr. Waki. And I look at me and I said, nobody, more long in my. But here still, the last time I kicked my birthday party, I have to confess. The man will say, Weddy. Next 2 weeks, I'm party, I go and I saw a thing, but we don't bother fight for no glory, but when we know how we do the thing then, you know what I mean? Come on, enough thing, man.
That me I realize, brother.
Come remember, you know. Remember, you know, when steal it and cleave it, I then play the rhythm. But it's like a me for them boss.
Yes.
Yeah, steal and make the rhythm.
Because a lot of your songs were voiced or steal and cleave.
Steal and make the rhythm, I mean, not there. They have to come find me. The man they call me and say, Screechie, come check me, I'm liquor rhythm. Just drive, pick up any 4 girl off of the road, come, we can dance. So I have to pick up all 4 girls. More time I just all I go through New Kingston and you know the girl out there. I say, 4 no come in that car, turn back up and then go in and then go through the door and them see them start dance. And not say nothing, you know, the rhythm and them start.
I said,
So
for
drop
them
them back
dance,
down
see
for
rhythm.
So this gone.
They gone.
Then see him send for the 8 box. Him have around 3 box when mixing. One stay so, and one look one stay so. When get from Channel 1, Joe stealing a music from him at 12, 13. He might look at you to play the keyboard for the Roots Radics with Gravy then. So 3 major pay, enough of them rhythm there for a long time. Channel 1 a sell out, so them sell them a little box there, 2 things them selling. Anytime you see him draft that little box there, more time we up there, we have wicked them and we there and we say, draft the box. Like this now go.
Go.
Yeah. And then when I see him drive for the box, but anything you see him drive for the box then, I have a tree in the yard, and you see the whole bird them start knock up the tree, most of that rhythm are gone. You can't tell the vibes are right, the bird them fly away.
Fly right.
Yeah. So when them on the rhythm now, they have a style I'm go so. Nice true then I play. So if I play a rhythm and you see me go so I'm cleave it, start pull it down, Screechie finger in here, so it now go, and you see him pull it down back. So when him reach the moment when I see me go so, him know the thing. Yeah. Cause even street sweeper, you know.
Right.
Without the arrows when I can, I said to myself, Screechie, you know, sir, no change the thing again. I want to build a different type of rhythm. And that rhythm has some L that I put on him. I don't want to hold for young youth. Come we go up his shoulder. Go up there. Street sweeper, this thing. Play the rhythm. Cleave, put on the jump thing and I play the phrase. Because me and him war around 3 times over that thing. Because the sound on that here, sir. Wait, I go, sir. Him take it out and I say, but if you take out that, the rhythm can't go on. And him say, no. And put on next sound and I'm there and we run Cleave is a thing, sir. And we call him Bubba. You know, it's a Screechie, right? Because I'm not here for me, so him put back him sound. And one roof sound over here, ching. Me tell him to take it out. Because me and him cuss off of that, because I don't like it. Then when all of the sound them come back, he must say, Screechie, can't do so. Him put back that, I saw Bubba do the thing, you know. If I play a rhythm and we don't like it, him not play it. And him not lay no rhythm if one of we not there, DJ.
Yeah.
If Polish not there, we cannot there.
The agony.
Yeah, Agony Polish, him name Blacker than now. And Buccaneer, they will come in general degree. Then Red Rat and go for them. Because through a Brownie family and things, they settle in. Yeah, man, Delhi ranks them, that is cool.
Delhi.
I mean, Bushman come in our next week, and so we have a little team, 2,000 crew that are still is true. If you listen to Red Rat song, you know, the vehicle song, you know, when me do Pathfinder, you know, when Screechie touch the road, the girl say we unique, girl say we them on the front of the Jeep, no Pathfinder do it. If you listen to that song, when it start, the Jeep blowing out to you, and Red Rat, hat them time, they come on the studio and steal it. Say, why you on the rhythm and see it on CD? So when he made the Pathfinder, Screechie, I'm sorry, I know me have that voice, so yeah, sick body, man. I know I'm going to make a car tune and come back. Remember, I go Jeep, you know, and then go make a car tune and come back. He never put a car on in a film. Charlie have a pretty car.
Charlie have a pretty car.
He said, Van, I want to blow him in a Screechie. Put it back in a film. He said, just listen to them 2 tunes. I said, and I said, Van, where you blow in a Pathfinder. Here, another song there.
Charlene.
Yeah, Charlene, yeah. So through him at time, my tune go hard, you know.
Right.
But through them just come at that time and get an edge with the song. But 2 songs get back. I want to go. That song that make me go Guyana.
Pathfinder.
Yeah, man, I drop a Guyana, red carpet and spread out for me, man. Biggest thing down there, man.
Yeah?
That's so weird.
On the street sweep, I have a tune and Twinkle Twinkle.
Yeah, man. Then me archive them follow, man. Yeah, twinkle twang, and them things that them scrap. Remember, you know? And me come with a year, I say, me son never too late for a shower of rain. Test my faith to the life gone in vain. Never, 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 never. And Frisco Kid do a song, I say, after your man fly down and get X amount of grand. Because Frisco, oh, I look at you to aspire where you can fix the car there when it broke down.
Yeah?
I'm a mechanic. Him name Parrot Kid and Power, so I don't like the name Power Man change his name to Frisco Kid. So when I left him going to have vehicle, Frisco, how are you? So I'm now me there firing now. I'm there firing. Ninja Kid come and say, yo, King Shango, behind with the ear, you know. Me I say, where I say? I'm going to kill Clover me. After me left from foreign, I go foreign pan tour to each. And I say, Rasta man light up the chalice, make a... So you know, them are the bigger star now.
Right.
So can't bother deal with that style again, because it look like we have followed them. But bigger thing on that again, me and Penny area come out. That part I'm going to tell you. Some more time we are getting the history, now history me are giving. So if a man wants to see me give history and feel like me not talk the real thing, because I can't tell lie now.
But tell Lord
In a city call me for do some dub plate and you can ask Penny when you see Max Wallow in a city and Penny. And me I come out of Jammins.
Yeah,
Out
we
of
sit
the
down.
corner, yeah. Me I come out of the corner and go so. And me say you would come from me and say, yo, you say my lyrics Ninja Man take way. And me I say, which lyrics? And I say, long for release of my lyrics. So I say, what's your name? And he say, my name K. Patron, you know. So I say, Wally, you have more money for you and then time we are sing up for 150. Wally say, you know the money done and go in my pocket. And come up with $70. And I say, Wally, give you, make him sing a song for you. And gone. Because my taxi out, I do a wait for them time when I have people. The taxi we take. All day taxi man have to park up and drive away and I'll pay them in the night. And all of a vehicle over it. So the next 2 days, I say, Wally come back, I stood and say, Screechie, you look at you there, we make do the song for it. See it? I want some more thing with him, because last night I go play the song and he couldn't come up by the turntable on Spanish Town Road.
Which song was that?
Bumblebird. So now,
so
now when Pandit them come from country, Pandit their own way.
yeah?
Yeah, so Pandit down and Cape Town come from the said country. So I really Pandit down, and him came come and him come my studio. And Roundhead. Because Roundhead natural rapping thing them time there. So I cheered him come at the studio. So some say, Pandit, Wally I look for your youth, you know. And Pandit must go find him and Wally take around 4 more songs of him. And then this is history because Ninja take him release, but also Ninja boss him. Because Ninja see him up a studio and say, Fatty, you think I'm me bad?
And this are you?
And this are you are bad. Because film think them and rare. If you Shabba tell up on the thing, man, go for kill you up so. So when man Ninja and Mackerel and all of them book, Shabba book me Cape Town up so Cape Town go hard. Because he has some long lyrics, you know. It's a DJ, so. Yeah, man. Shango them, but Shango them are real you still, you know?
Yes.
When it's strength to act Shango them for them, they're for real. Because I know more time man and man have them difference, but man don't move like girl and them thing.
Yes.
We are right, so
yes.
I mean,
yes.
But we are them good still. Bounty Killer, me and being usual buckle line. Buckle up a dance all a DJ night. And me and him clash. Him say kill me say me kill him.
So who kill who?
Eh? I me kill him, man. If you see him inside, if you tell him, sir, I me kill him, man. Yeah, man.
The government name, go ahead.
But the dance is nice. The dance with me and being still. come out and you original go dance. The venue are 2 venue. So my one and only son choose the back of the venue because sometimes the place where you go, the front part the people them like it and like that and them sing up around the back. But you sing up around the back runner so. And them sing up around the back runner so. So our segment down around here so. And for them segment out at the front. So then take we run and so now, take them run and so now, then the dance mash up. But them say them in that lead. Them really go hard and we run and so before the dance lock off. So him done him saying kill him say, remember me that go hard everything when me attack where I say. Yeah man. God be in the about them run them time that we on them back later. Yeah man. Yeah man.
The government name is Newland Blackwood.
Yeah,
but the artist name
Screechy
Joe. Or that's something that come about.
You know, so when I look at you to go to school, they always say, oh, you know, so you come and say, oh, you reach us, sir. And I say, yeah, them always say, I love Screechie. So I say, you know, so I like that name. I'm a DJ name that thing.
Yeah.
Screechy Joe, so I just run with that name there. Yeah,
Looking back in life, I one of the song where people identify Screechy Joe. Yeah?
I the Euro people and Japan.
That they love.
Phone ring for that one there.
Phone ring for that. Big a piece of it now.
Cause when me look back in her life, me no love what I go on. Me girl left me and through me run out I can. She move out my fridge and my TV and gone. Which part she live and me so down at Greenwich Farm. Choop, 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 me say she gone in a train. Well, a long time, so long time we know them song there.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Another song where Popular Road, an extra good.
Yeah, man.
We should your voice a song there.
I know so that song there. I mean produce a song there.
You produce it?
I mean I'm Virginia and A nice joke, they me put out pan it in.
Yeah?
Junior kept the pan it rough and tough. Gully back the pan it. Polish the pan it too. Cape Town the pan it. Sizzler the pan it.
What the name of the rhythm?
Extra gun the
Extra
rhythm.
gun the rhythm name?
Yeah, me name the
So
rhythm.
you lay the rhythm too?
I mean lay the rhythm. Man.
What?
A live rhythm in Flabber World. Flabber World. Said cleave with it. Wrong move. The hands man them and them always tour with Sly and Rabbit them. The brown rasta out there.
No, sure.
And blow the hands on it. And one of dead. And next one a country named Style Scott. My drummer too, yeah.
Okay.
I live me play it, man. Up at Marvin studio, me lay the
Marvin
rhythm.
late.
No, when I'm mixing lab.
When I'm mixing lab.
Yeah, but them vice up at Marvin.
Marvin, okay.
All of them are the vice up at Marvin.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big a piece of extra gun there, sir. People and
Youth and youth careful of the road. You know see what I go on. Them always have an extra gun. Them shoot the youth and so them take off a big magnum. But a lie, the youth never have none. Them know him innocent and still shoot him down. Hit name. So them a come, so them a come, so them a come there. So as a draw down, then say put up your hand there. So they search me and them don't find nothing, they hear a voice shout out. Where they gone there? So if you find it, your life I go down there. Should them not find it, then threaten if you run away. So if you leave by next week Sunday, if we not live, we are go die by Monday. How them say is freedom of speech? Still them no want to get to you, them to speak. You open your mouth and try if you go speak. Shut up. Them want to lick out to teach, so them always.
extra gun.
I know, so me have extra girl and they said we too.
Extra girl.
Me always have an extra girl. When my woman left me, me have another one. She a fitter than the first one. That's why me draw for the nurse one. She a rock out with the man there. So she left me from last week Sunday. Me never noticed she a move out Tuesday. Can't lick me chip and left me confused. My love pick the wrong Tuesday. Like you go store and buy the wrong shoes there. Me always have an extra girl. When me yeah man, we have to
Speaking about girl, you have a children named Girly Lyra. Early out in 19. Because the rhythm is on 80s.
yeah,
early
so
90s.
I suppose so midnight label, they said Jack Thomas.
Yeah?
Midnight rap.
Eh.
The more girl me get, the more girl me want. Me done inna the town and me have the talk. Me have them know, for me have them pack up. You look, yeah man, them song now from 80s song man.
You mentioned a tune earlier. It's kind of explicit. There one piece of that tune there still. That tree stump, that tune there.
You can't get piece of that. The girl never get piece of that.
Alright, give girl a piece of it. You have
man.
to clean up
Yeah man.
the front. So run it there.
I want to give the history.
Yeah, give me history.
You see that tune, yeah? You know, it's a Forum Beach me there.
I swim in the water.
That water, so.
Yeah, cross over there, so. And this youth in the water, he come to me and he say, a man tell me, say, yeah, artist, and he name Screechy Joe. I say, yeah. And I say, you know, say, I have a lyrics I want to give you. And I say, let me hear it, and he say, me have the big tree chunk for bruise up our front. When you give me the lyrics, the way the lyrics sound good, I say, you know, say that youth and give me the lyrics, yeah. I get him and get to me, you know.
So you want your act sitting funny?
No. I saw them always come and give lyrics, and when the tune bust on, they say, pirate them lyrics. But in myself, she will go through them things enough time, I say, you know, him not give me the lyrics. So when we reach out, I say, I got to change it for him, because him say, want the big tree chunk to bruise up her front.
Yeah.
Somebody say, she want the big tree stump to sink in her front. When the girl get him and she don't stop grunt. Big tree stump to sink in her front. When the girl get him and she don't stop grunt. Under the tree stump. And the girl no stop grunt car. She tell me say that she tired of the rattler. She tell me say she no want no home turner. She tell me say she no want no teapot. She tell me say she no want no light post. She want the big tree stump fi sink in her front. And when the girl get him and she don't stop grunt, she dey under me front, under me front, under me front. She a feel the tree stump. She go under the tree stump. Cause them error there, you know. A tree song, two songs really play, but one is 50. When you go dance and night, you go Stone Love. From here, 3 songs. You hear the anthem at every dance I play. You hear a Shabba say, want a home turner. She want it hard and stiff. Them sang that anthem. And Derrick Harris say, all of the girl them all laugh at the rattler. Now want a man with a little piranha. Then yeah, she want the big tree stump fit. Them 3 songs they play in her era. Them have to play by one of them.
Yes.
Inner City, Stone Love, Squall 51, Roadstar. All of them sound them, man. Jam right. All of them sound them. Cause Father Paul have come knock me out of my bed and wait for me to come sing up for Stone Love. You know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man. And them time when we done singing, never have the money now. They say, come check me up for winners. Or go up for winners, go check him. Sometimes we give him money and sometimes we cost. But a good man still, cause he never agree with the money one time, but if your basket empty and run in on it and anytime. Like him afraid to tell you now. How we done, man? So him there now, how long if you have a problem around to Father Paul?
Yeah.
He will help you. Yeah, man, them man.
Me for all the reason with them one of them time I tell you
man,
cause
me
all
for
the
a
back
reason,
great work
yeah.
them man doing anything.
Q45. When Q45 come to Jamaica, him carry a Q45. Because I just lead one of my little family, my cousin. So Q come back with the money now and buy some building. But I'm like producer. So I'm going to check Steely, because Steely a face man, you know.
So I've heard.
He not really play music for people.
Yes.
Unless a man like we say, Boba, how are you, man? Good youth and thing. Can dare to, you know. Regular man, you go to regular man, we take all a 50,000, but you have to get Steely all 3,000 if he play already for you. And then no true man, them know from him go so it and a problem with the money thing. I just forget to him, because I might forget to him face it. So Q go check him and I say, I don't know why I can't do that something. True, me know Q now and Q now come check me. Me care about Q, go check me. And I say, Boba, how are you, man? And he make a reading for Q and him, Broke back to. Them thing I used to make a reading for Q and him, Broke back to. I will voice a tune for the rhythm and did me voice a tune for the rhythm too. She will get barrel to one girl about it takes me one take what she have. She 100% she will get me trade back. The 2 remember the tune about.
Yeah.
So with the Q now start turn Q stunt producer now and start go hard there now. Start so man still have a vibes you know. And start do the things hotel. On the upper studio work and police come and say Steely. Sunday night, we got a Spanish town last night. I'm gonna go over there. Zebra come from jail. At the baddest thing, the thing that we made the man attack, I murder and Steely saying, go fame. Police find him. Climb come. And producer youth when name Shines. I read him in the entire ranchilla, Black Widow. I'm a Delhi producer read him there.
Yeah?
Yeah, that youth name Shines now.
Tarantula.
Yeah, Black Widow Shines now. Our bridging, so Ingy with the money. I'm a Delhi go on the vice artist and if you look on the record there, it's supposed to say D faster and end Blackwood. Delhi
right.
D faster and end Blackwood. I mean, remember where, because most man don't know, you know, if you are turn producer and left the money give me and gone, if you do the work, I know you produce the song, man.
You're the co-producer.
Yeah, co-producer.
That's where you find the money.
Yeah.
And then you have the master. Man, we have the master on the tune there.
Yeah.
I just Jamaican music alone, people did virgin ship. So they say, "Try you spend the money and thing."
Wallace.
I hear a thing. But really, by book and I hear a thing. If it go court and the judge say, who have the master?
Right, I'm out the master with.
The master, the man.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so Zebra come now. And vice a tune say, the man fear, you know. Flex like the eagle and the dragon and the bear, you know. So I mix black with them. Come here now with the whole of the tune and pan it and steal it. Say, Screechie. Like how I go come with 3 sweeper, you know. The boy attack a bag of thing. Put him on black with him, man, because steal him at the ready, man. So I say, go around there. Girl want my picture for free. It's all about me own name, some vex. So, bam, that drop now, he get hot. Q drop back on it. Sang with him and on to. Sang him with Q drop, but Q put out a song with him. Shines on the leave put out a song. So I pep up now. I pep up. Bam, street sweeper drop. The man fear, you know. Flex like the a 2 passport Zebra done for 1 year, you know. Someone all them out there in the background the side. Zebra the artist man, you know. 2 passport the man in the for 1 year.
2 passport in 1 year.
Remember the man come and sting, man. A man in the man come and the man say further on in the news. Late last night the mosquito bite the over sting no good. They come powerful, man. So I'm now, cause street sweeper still really say moment I really left the headline.
Right.
Yeah. So me and Polish now, a driver come on for 3 road. Burbanton come back from fire now. Pa Bourgeois go and all advice me time. I buy some song. So Polish said to me, still he saw the headline, him not song good pan already. Polish I drive the Carlina now, he buy it brand new. 1999. I would pick up Bull off a road and put it in. Camera by his tune and steal it, girl, and then I try to do a no tune and steal it.
Yeah.
Don't give me no new tune, just give me that said song there. And when them DJ, that song there. And steal it, stop and give me the chorus now. He don't know when name the chorus. He say, oh yeah, talk and steal it, say, all right, pull up. And fly back the chorus and put it and tell him if he can continue DJ. So him fly out and go firing. When he come and play out at the airport and he come back to Jamaica, everybody at him say, yeah, the artist song. But three minutes buy some new song, my name or some song, and some man say, I look up and say, that big man, they have a new tune down the place. We show them know them song they buy sometime.
Long time. Vice over.
Yeah, so when he come now, we say, we are going Asylum. And he going there. And yes, 3 people put out here, Asylum mash up. And put him on the head and walk out. He never
say,
look back.
I'm going to plan in life.
Yeah, man.
That's what it is.
Yeah, man.
Say, I'm going to plan in life.
Yeah, man.
So,
I want the general to hardcore DJ.
yes, man.
Because I really Peter Mitchell. Nicodemus, remember Errol Scotch and my family.
Right.
Yeah. But I really Peter Mitchell, me I say, oh, Mitchell can't do the show them, and Mitchell we pattern with the show them, you know.
Yeah.
And Mitchell is a man who come and talk anything and done the show. Papa San Bad can DJ and come with the stage show, but Mitchell have a show thing about him.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because enough time me and Mitchell book up a show, you know. Where him go before me and me go before enough time, you know, because in the early when Metro DJ Woodford Park, Metro go to England and we go to Allman Town. We don't set the upsetter and take over Allman Town from them, you know. And Metro Media upsetter for clash when me Peter come from England. Some people at them say, I want to look a short DJ boy. You can't test him rare and we are never clash. And Metro say, me not clash with that sound they tell me that you there. So I run Allman Town and DJ and Metro Screechie in I dance. Me never know how long after time I tell me. Mr. Screechie, you know what I do? I screeching at the dance and jamming at the dance in the corner. The night, he may not come DJ me and my pass mic, you know. But if me know, say, I listen, come listen me. Me don't just kill him the night from there, sir. But me checks as big, I mean, I say, Big Peter, Metro. One DJ side of them, man. Yeah. So he come night, and me and him DJ after him, I tell him, say, Screechie, is that night there? I threw the whole place, so I come back and you bother me. I just come in at the dance and stand up and listen and say to my friends, say, him no wicked on me. Yeah, man, all over Fort Clarence, man. Peter Metro Screechy Joe, man.
Yeah.
Metro Screechy. Yeah, we Metro them no go about. I Metro first call up on a Sting 93.
Sting 93.
Jamroll, yeah, man.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, man. I'm a DJ listening, shower rain and rain start falling and then say me call them rain. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man.
The journey.
Yeah, man, the journey, man.
A whole heap
A
of...
whole heap of journey, man.
I think you come across, brother.
Yeah, man. Whole heap of journey. All right. I'll show you how my life go. Now what them Bubaga Bermuda go do a show. See? And when I reach a airport and I plane sit down, I can't say Buba. When I reach a Miami, I see him come with a paper, so them hold him passport and give me paper. I travel with. Some say, what go on? So I say to myself, I wonder if I carry drugs on me now. And nothing, because you see, man, a pressure man, you know me, I say.
Right.
So I reach a Miami now. I said, like, no, we are going to check through me, I say. If my problem is Jamaica, and my problem is Miami, why me if go stand upside down again? So I switch the line and come out of the line. I say, join me again. I see back them reach a Bermuda. When I reach a Bermuda now, them check me through. Custom come out of the work, I say, can I visa me have because my friend away in my travel can't come through. So the time the youth them come keep the show. So I go sit down in my vehicle, they can't ask me, they come out already. So them send back Buba to Jamaica. So when me ready for left Bermuda and boasting and I reach the airport for come home with people and say, you can't live here. You don't have a visa, you have to go travel through England or Canada, you don't have an American visa. So I say, I say, a one entry you get, you know. So if I come through, if I land the first time come through Miami, the visa no good. I say, So I start figure say now, at that reach Buba visa. But true now me come like, me are the luckiest man of the world. I said visa me have, you know, and beat it and go through a Bermuda and I end up do the show and I rage I love me, you know. That is that 3 month in transit, you know. So I'm doing for come home, my brother down at the airport say, why them always do them thing in Jamaica? I know some I don't know like that, I can't do nothing for you. I gotta make them give back a 5 year and write something give me and send me at the consulate down at Bermuda. And I'm go down there and give me back a 5 year. So I get that 5 year and come back to Jamaica. And use it till it done, till me renew visa again. So when me lucky me get all visa out of Jamaica. Yeah man, Jah love my mom.
What's Screechy Joe biggest song?
No for them in about.
Oh, that song there, are the song where people identify with the quickest.
Out of them songs, around 4 of them got chart, you know. Bicycle Bar got chart.
Bicycle Bar.
Hype Type got chart.
Hype Type.
Pathfinder got chart. Woman is Real got chart.
Woman
at
is
Night
Real.
Night, yeah. But I'm not telling a lifestyle. Make enough money off of the song when I don't name out it, half a dub plate. Look back in her life.
Look back in her life.
You should choose a one drop it there, and in Europe. But the rest of the song them, but that's a Hype Type still.
Hype Type, yeah.
Hype Type go around 5 in the chart, but true, me never know where I go and come. I check say, I saw it go, because I just there and look at the chart and see me the 5 and thing, and I say, well, me I got 1. And me never know something, but just check the people. You know the style. And do what me do, me see it gone up back.
Yeah.
And then after me I raise, and the man say, yeah man. So when you see the man go, so I call him, I say, I never know. Enough man not telling nothing, you know. Come here, the next artist, step on a rhythm where the artist have me and Polish, I pick me up, I carry all about. But DJ, if you do some show, and him song go #1.
Yeah.
And after now, I see a man and a man and say, that man they never tell us how to check that. The show them was my show, you know. And I me control the chart and I me do that and do that. Me I say, no. So the man have we do them something there and film song go #1. But him not make our song go #1 because most man want you big like the man in the something, you know. Because it's a backly, you know. Because if we never smart, we know the boy. You know see how me young and look good said we, man. When I see the youth that when I grow them I say, how you do it, I say, what I do now go out, because more time I get up a morning time. If you go exercise, I have to go run. Yeah, so after I don't want nobody nothing out there, man. Because it's hard, and I just get up, at least when I come out. Sun nearly catch me because I come out 6. Now I'm at 6 o'clock, I done long time. I walk and chat and run for an hour. Put on one of them big, at least I take a jacket and I say, I'm wicked to myself, wait. If it now weigh 50 pounds, it now weigh nothing, my lad. One of them big winter jacket that I sweat out, you know. Yeah, man, I have 55 in my lad. Look for me, say, look at you them. Stand upside a popcorn and all of them version and things. Me and them, like I said, age group. Yeah, man, they know more than me, man. Yeah, man.
They know more than you, brother.
They
They
know
know
more
that
than
for Joe.
Come and buy now. This is Shabba ranking.
Right.
One night time, get down out there, man. Mansa shot, bust ya now, because around them our youth. Around it, bust ya now. And start travel, go foreign. Both are travel too. With spectrum them, because them are pirate Shabba. Yeah, I go all about. So, around it, see general DJs I look at you, and around it like general and start, because general, I find with him. Because general have two little songs, and go on and I roll my pepper up. So around it, see me and I say, yo, see Shabba, so we not for left here, you know. Shabba said, want to screech, and I said, down the man, we are in Spanish. Shabba said, around it, don't left him, tell him, don't give up. So when Ronald come give me that message there, now where Shabba said, me, I said, so we start move back with Ronald and tell Mansa Shop, because if you notice, enough Mansa Shop clipping me upon it, then call on it.
Yes.
Yeah, so most parts of Mansa Shop, I go all about the foreign, all local, all about with them. Because Mansa Shop did big at us, how it cut down. Because Mansa Shop consistent of Power Man, Screechy Joe, Saba 2, Mega Plow, Snakey Trouble, General B Ghost.
Ronald.
Because I Mega Plow do every birthday they be went to a kid shop.
Yeah?
Yeah, my man's a shop to around the youth, all of them youth. Yeah, man, so.
Mega Plow.
So on that time they say, scare them go come here now. So we the arrows. And we the arrows and now we are the real reason we say, you know, say if them youth are steer on a jam is them now go big around them. Say, you know, say, we are going to go for them and give them a reason. So we left now and go down there go check them and I say, you know, come on the poor front for doing a jam. So if you listen most I think they hear them and them say, anyway, it's a man say, yes, to scare them, and yes, to scare them.
That's a man, sir.
Yeah, because Harry told that about from baby when days.
Yeah, man.
And boom down the mic, because I know boom down the mic before me know. I know coach before me know coach them, I know boom. But we know toddler already, because toddler up a Shabba side. Up there, so we and Shabba you just spar. Yeah, man, all over Portmore, I mean, first bring Shabba over here, man. Shabba around the place, you have a set in the SS syndicate. I do it up plate, then mute, then I carry man and get Shabba and I run over here. I mean, I say Shabba, them want to see a Portmore. Yeah, man, I'm carrying wherever Waterford and place, them thrones around them. Done up here, man. Done the place, man. Syndicate which I run Portmore, love child. Because when me come to Portmore, you know, 1984, me come to Portmore. So when me come to Portmore, when I drive on them road there, you know, where you see the highway built upon, you know, bush, you know, and the bus man, them have to stop at the crocodile and cross, you know, because the crocodile enough. Crocodile enough like how you see man goes round cross road from where Fort I go to the sun to the next side, you know. They have to stop, you know. So even over front of the mall, past the sport and Postmouth, people wake up and see crocodile in them yard. At the party pan bus, them that run, you know. So because Screechie bus, so, you know. And then we just got Portmore. First you have a one bus from half a tree. We go Gregor Park. Until you make that message, better walk come home. Because enough time, me walk from Zinc Factory, you know. Vehicle strike on around 2 yards, you know, because I live in Independence City. 31 Independence, that's how we live. Because when Color TV come in, we are the first somebody, one of the first somebody have a Color TV in Independence City. I go to Portmore too. Me and my sister, they have a problem, because I like a dance. Dance, we are kids.
Crowd.
Time them I look you to go school, because I live 2 yards from me, you know, tall bus.
Tall bus.
Yeah, man. Crowd drive, come out and miss all bicycle, no man even know them bicycle that. Yeah, man. But me I tell you, when my career forget big, you know, I know John Jala's work, I know John Jala say, no, say me a vice you with cars always I send for vice, you know. So Jata must send him start vice, you know. And the big boss now, where Jata must look up to is a man named Linval Thompson.
Linval Thompson.
Linval Thompson, 1 hour Danto, and Al Campbell.
Al Campbell.
Yeah, Tony Tough are my boss. Tony Tough, Errol Scotcher. Them man they come like my boss, like them glory. Because Scotcher and Tough spar. Sugar Mine and our Godfather too. So down here so now, the big star now and the brother named Juna Biles.
Juna Biles.
Yeah, Juna Biles. Fade away, Bossy, Chasha man. Yeah, then time them man they know. You know what I mean? No secret. Bossy man, Philip Fraser, don't agree with his fan. Sammy Dread, Boss, Grown Gun and Farid.
Sammy Dread, aye.
You didn't call me Sammy Dread. Then one time as a youth, I get a talk off on mic and Sammy Dread I sing on Delaware Creek Road. And when I get the talk, I mash up the place. And then I give back the mic and the people I say, Lord, they look at you. And I say, if you hold big star and hold mic and look, or if you hold mic and big star look at you, and the people I say, put him on the box and I say, give back the youth the mic and I have to give him back. Book him all a friend and I remember him and I tell him about it, man. Come like Richie Stevenson, I already heard. Can call Roddy Ryan and ask him up at Gemini Club. I'm see the youth sit down and reason. I said, John, I can't believe them I do me that. So I say, youth, I want to tell them, I say, I sing, you know. My name is Richie Stevens, you know. You know, so I sing some dub play for Stone Love. Them time they same song like Dennis Brown. I sing some dub play for Stone Love, but them now play it and I call Richie Stevens in name. Them I play it as Dennis Brown. So I tell me, I say, youth, how you do now? Just wait till him now look and I tune it, just slurring him and say, I'm on Richie Stevens in the song. So I'm slur it night. Father Paul never know. So I'm go play and when Paul hear in him and I'd Paul go and bad and I'll speak to them ways to them, man. More time I say, man, I say, Richie, you have to talk the thing them or not talk the thing them, man. She a bigger star around me now, you have to talk the thing them, man. A regular man is boy. Even Coco, when I see them, man, all of them are there talk. More time Moja here. Boy, I can't remember, so they met us. You don't remember the man who bust you? Eh? Yeah, man.
Yeah, there's a singing melody.
Yeah, man, singing melody. Now we go down a Marcus Pen. But DJ upset us sound. And see when he come pepper the place. But we live in a place named McDonald Lane. You have Screechie live McDonald Lane, but in lane you have 5 lanes. So you have 5C, 5B. So right. 5C and 5B, they're near. So around 30 girls living in 5C, 25 living in 5B. Man in a yard, so rotate. So a man will live over here, so it's female man. A man will live over here, so it's female man. I have a next woman over the side. Yeah. Screechie live so the baby mother, I have a next girl over the side. So I saw the yard run, car fenced and man going and things. So all over the right, this one thing in the yard. Yeah, man, get a life, man.
Yeah. Watch out, because you say you produce some songs, you rhythm and stuff. See, what my reason with the artists them from your era, Screechie, the recurring theme is that a lot of man get ripped off and them not collect, not publishing, royalties, all your things.
Between me and you, I don't know what going on, you know. Because in the earlier part, you know, I usually go pick up my royalty check them and all of the things them usually come. But from the new era coming like in the 2000, now no money come.
So you not go check it out, man?
No, I signed publishing a boy named Kennedy from England. One time he said no money come give me and he said no way, man, I don't no money and come. I signed with PPL where the check them usually come to me. So true, I sign with him now. Because them do is sign now. You have to have one banner. So if the man has signed it, you have to make him do everything.
Okay.
So I make him do the PPL. And then now we're there now, we just boom. And go up at the woman up at Fab 5, but then so I find the people and money. And tell the woman, say, you know, so I signed with him for 5 years. I'm going to sign back and him sign back and the woman say, nah man, love me do this. If you can't sign back, I do the people all the while. And that's what that's up me I go. Just love me Screechie, so that one them have to pay her $3,000 every day for the work. She got around 30 already. And she tell me, say, I see where PPL send the money to him. African the boy come from, you know. Last time he come and I say, yo, sometimes I cut him throat, me and if you have meeting him fly out, and I call him and say, feel like you could have tell me that I'm come meet you. Take come myself, Screechie. Back in my song, last song fest. And he say me, no, so I have a money for you. I say, give me it down now, man. So he cut out 50 grand and give me some money for give me. Me call up on the phone, I hear him back from that. Then now, if you go the suck man, I say me owe money. Some say, what money more you? And some forgive me £150. So the woman said, nah man, me do that. So the woman that did me think, I collect my money then. Because I not collect the money off none of the steal them tune there. Big Tree Stump a bunny label, you know.
Striker.
Yeah. The song where you hear me I sing a Girl Lily, Bicycle Bar, and Inner City produce it, you know. Wally come from Inner City label. Because them time there, the way they tune them at them tune there, Bicycle Bar turn anthem and sound, you know. Inner City and Stone love them, you know. It's a new type of way. Me and my girlfriend say, it's a new type of way. Me a go in a city and with me girl pan me bicycle bar, pan me bar. She dey pan me bicycle bar, pan me bar. She dey pan me bicycle bar car. Big head now run things again nan. Kawasaki now go on again nan. The Ninja bike say now go on again nan. Me Rambo what do it? Me Rambo what do it? Me Rambo bicycle when me ride on the street say, pan me bar. She dey pan me bar. I remember Johnny P have bike back, what you get them. So when you bike back, you your bicycle bar. Yeah, and now they me turn to me and Devon to them 30 back.
Yeah?
Bicycle bar.
Mad.
We go still car. we still them learn, me still on top is there. Me get my little paper, them register my little thing. So more time,
And you register
some little
your
thing
thing
come.
then.
When I feel like nothing I go on, even when the youth them in a go to school, so sometimes nothing I go on, and you see a little thing come, a little check what, one little change, a little 150 and them money there. 15 work. So when them bad ball, more time me the man them come out on a ball car. But they car, we don't make no big money like some of the man them. Some money when I see some man making, if I make quarter, I won Jamaica. And even the breeze me live off of. You see the man who make the money, the breeze blow it off and go drop it somewhere. So that are the crumbs. And this crumb starts scatter. And this crumb starts scatter, I get a little piece off. I don't get none of the big something.
And you still manage to survive.
Yeah man, up on the hill me live now. And collect rent off of the building over Portmore. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Give thanks, man.
Give
Progress,
thanks that
that brother.
we can ball, yeah.
Yes,
Enough
sir.
man who see around the place, I don't know where them live. I don't know where them yard. I don't know this, I don't know that. And man make billions, boy, but every man lives somewhere. Because if you're in a house and a parent, you want to tell you come out still, so.
Yeah.
Every man have a yard, but I know when the landlord usually knock the door, them how it feel. Because I tell parent more time I feel like cuss the landlord and not teach them. Because I said, then a month ago I pay, how am I go back again? No. I said, no, I fly the time, them I fly. I just find the man money give me. Yeah, I have to just find it give.
Yeah, we know what that is about. So despite the fact that you get piece of crumbs of the crumbs, you still
And the youth, them still go school.
and you can go
If
school.
you see none of my youth, then you can ask them anywhere. If you know that anybody in the world can call them, ask them if a day ever come with them not go to school, with them father not have lunch money.
How many youths?
I 3 of them, around 5 of them, but I really 3 official way. But one of them is dropped, so I'm a road boy. I never want to call me because
Sorry
people
to hear
never know
that.
say
I hear
I'm my
you.
youth that.
Yeah?
Me down a Max Hill and I go and back. At the time, you know. And be a people that say you're a boy and then no. One execute up a McDonald's in favor me, but through your youth them time now, my girl have more one man and thing and body aside of my youth. I never look back, but more time I prepare my check and I give my money. I look like the rest of them still.
You look like
And them can't set a day
and then I go
and
school.
them not go school.
Yeah, man. And the youth them good at all. Everybody are big people.
Yeah man, Screechie and I see you in America now.
Yeah?
Yeah man, him engineer, machine, reading news.
Yeah,
Man. Yeah man, I mean and him live man and daughter, one of them next daughter the island and next one there mother, because mother have a son under my own son.
Oh, okay.
My
So
five
yeah,
years,
so,
so she's soon gone.
so yeah, so, so
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
so. Ever been married?
No sir.
No,
But
sir.
never.
Never?
Them plan all wedding for me in America, I mean I plane I come to Jamaica man. My virgin wife sister married to me man.
Yeah?
I said nice and told me they don't see his sister do it. Me I said, then if me married and there so a prison me I go and jail because I can't take them a treatment and them buy up this and set up this and when them set up the thing and me say, yeah man. And I can't stay there set up. At Jamaica
Plane
me
there.
plane. They say me are the wickedest man. I don't like foreign. More time some man say to me, say, every man will say to me, say, Screechie, you have visa more time and sit down at Jamaica. I say, if I have nothing to do, I don't go foreign. All of them man there, now fly.
Yes.
They may not fly, tell them lose them visa. If I have nothing to do a foreign, I don't go foreign. Because I don't like foreign. I don't run a long time and I live a foreign. Because I'm alone out of my family. All of my brother them. One brother me have a Jamaica.
Oh, everybody there, the cross up.
I may have 1, 2, 3 sisters Jamaica. One travel like she don't live in Libya and the next 2 them not like fire. Yeah man, all of my family them that fire. Yeah.
What's Screechy Joe favorite song? A following song them.
And for my song them.
Yeah.
When Screechie touch the road, the girl they say we unique. Girl they say we them on the front of the Jeep. No part
Pathfinder.
fine I do it. Me sing. That was some song. Girl, me a the money tree, them a mad
Money
over
tree.
me. When the girl them see me and get fi know me, they want spend me. They want to spend the money tree. The tree start to bloom and the tree start blossom. And some month a girl me say them a run come. You pick off and leave, you know the money a go done. Yeah man, enough song. man.
Robot.
You know them song that too? You must think some man a robot. Have you ever seen a girl we can't done? Every second, every minute, say she wants some. You know me, can't resist, want resist, but me can't run. And if me don't try a thing, me I no get none. 60 minutes and me gone pan tour. She mash down the bed and she pop down the floor. Well, I never remember them song. Because them song that one cut, you know.
One cut.
Yeah, man. Because you still like with me now. The man survive some beer, man, I say. All you know. Waste time. When Screechie come in and I show them advice, and I come and just go around them. I'm not just a bank. I show more time, we lay the rhythm them.
Right.
We just lay the rhythm and make the song. With the song, I have it like that. Or still lay the rhythm. When him lay a rhythm, if him not hear advice on it, him can't
You know, complete.
No.
Right.
So him have to hear advice on it. So somebody have advice on the rhythm.
You have song with Power Man,
Me and Frisco Kid have
Frisco
song.
Kid, General B. I'm sure I see something this when I do the research.
I got a Frisco Kid.
Frisco. Who else you have song with other than Frisco?
Boy, you know that song them time down who we are the song with. Yeah, but me have some song where I come from one drop album now.
Right.
With me and Tristan Palmer and a Gregory Isaac when we make. When I last sing before Gregory make. We sang Gregory Isaac and Screechie.
Cool, no, man.
Sang the terrible man. But
Why not come on road?
it come from one drop album. I just don't mix everything.
Oh, I don't mix already,
Yes,
so you
sir.
soon take on the street.
The one when you money to spend with me and Tristan Palmer. It a play upon the radio.
To play upon the radio.
I am the man with the girl them a walk and search her. Screechie tell them to meet me at the plaza. In the bank right in the shopping center. I'm coming and say, go draw some money if you go meet up me girl, me have a date later. Money if you spend for the girl them. Me take all your money buy land and give them. Money if you spend for the girl them. If the pitney na no father, me a the father for them. Money if you spend.
Money
Yeah,
if
man,
you
you can't
spend
look that
for
one
the
that
girl,
play
yeah.
on the radio, man. If you listen so good.
Money if you spend in here.
Money if you spend, yeah, man.
Who you go look for?
Never all next all them song Japanese people them like it. They pan bad with that. I like you. You're my good friend. Know you from long time. But you're too much of yourself. I like you. Them children they pan bad with that. Still label again.
Steal again.
I know say the biggest song I hear mention it going to chart in England.
What that?
One name Zoogie Zoom.
Zoogie Zoog.
Yeah, Zoogie
Yeah,
Zoom.
yeah.
Them children mash up
Yeah.
Africa. Zoogie Zoogie zi zunge zeng zung ze. Zoogie Zoogie zi zunge zeng zeng. Zoogie Zoogie. Zoogie zi zunge zeng zeng. Your body have to fit, girl, fi enter this race. Me a say Tina Turman nominating at the base. And he can make us so she can and place nominating at the race. You have to have a nice face. Nice sexy body with a nice sexy waist. And in your ear from you have the cute face. So Zoogie Zoog. I read him there. Once we say coach, you do it depend it too. And go in a chart too.
Me have written down
Goofy.
what the because they reach out to it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Them sang that big song, man.
Big song.
Yeah, man.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
Well, enough place we're going about.
Place
Yeah.
you look forward to, man.
Favorite place. All right, now, because we're not going away.
When you used to go somewhere Screechie.
America, because through America we start go first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we go England, we go Europe, and we go Canada, and we go North Ireland, and we go enough place in the world and them things. You see me I say? But through America now, I don't like America be. I go England as me don't do what I do.
Yeah.
But America, me have half all of the things I just know so. Hey, me come for do a week up here. 2 months me I do, you know.
Yeah.
All of my friends them and the youth them, because enough youth me send with to, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, the youth them send with them in a problem and the youth them and them thing them, I say, wow, friend them come check me. I want to show you some of that friend and I go there, I have a student named Dan one. Tilly Benga and Dan one at them, I say, youth they a check for you, you know. Say, me say you in town and I say, hey, on 2 days, so I don't student do some dog for your brother. But I don't know him, so a man say, I'm out of those, so I say, bring him come, boy, him come, I don't know him. And he said to me, say, when you come, no man, okay, I go shop me. So I said, how would you hire again? And I said, you're going to never remember me, you know. Remember the day I come out of hours, I'm come to you and I tell you, say, you know, sir, I'm going to look out a passport and you give me 1,500. You get the passport and reach a fire, you know. So I'm going to go shop and pull up my suitcase and give me 3,000 5 years. I'm there for around 2 months. Every day I'm check me. So book next suit now we come to Jamaica and me and tip I'm like DJ. When I come to Jamaica, I come check back to them. Say my DJ and back to them if you can to the radio, man. But me the one student and Sapphire and him and say, boy, I come to check back to them and I be money and rare and thing. DJ we just come as I look at you and come check me. So I say, Garfield and try the DJ we don't hire, Garfield and try and run and so. So I say, we are so youth and them tell me so. Take the tune and I Garfield and I get DJ Rain, so he himself on the radio. So I go back and find him and say, boy, man, I'm going to check, never pay me no mind. And the youth name Screechie. Make me song play on the radio. So from me go and find him, man, say he wants spar with me and I try spar, but through my work, that thing them, I love jump and down with people and got people yard, because we don't want to tie up, because we skill. Enough time I tell a man, say, go check the man, them don't have drugs yard, and I say, go down there, you know. When them go them tie up, me never tie up, because I not go. Because music, we stick to the evil, we know. I mean,
where you don't go perform it, you look forward for go to work one time.
I don't go run, pandemic mash me up. By force me, I go to Europe, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because some whole heap of money, everybody go around and tell me, say, boy, Screechie.
Some money around there?
Yeah, I never go around there, but we get enough double work for Europe.
Yes.
Because even I said, son, look back in our life.
Look back in our life.
Them a dance to them song there. Europe, long time. Street Sweeper song, them song there. Because if you notice the rhythm, the rhythm now, me dey on my phone after ringing and teach them.
Right. Because normally when I come up from Marvin, I see you work.
Yeah, man, our phone after ring, man. And when I watch the man phone ring, can't do and we don't make money.
Yes.
I was satisfied with make I learn that thing there from long time. I know what you have. How you save. Come out and someone and say, Screechie, how you do it? If me come out Monday morning, you know, I make 50,000, you know. I reach back at me, I just, because my son name Screechie, my son name. I just say, put that 30,000 in our account. I throw 10 grand in my jar. Because my place never out of food. Him buy food, me buy food, and I tutorial more time. The food them pack up, me have to give some local youth around me and give some people and buy some fresh. Them good enough, but we have them.
Right, no them yes.
I'm not buying a whole pot thing, because I don't eat nothing, you know. Yeah, me think type of chicken and fish. And I meat and vegetable.
Yes, Rasta.
Yeah, I do my home melody, my doctor myself and them things. Drink my ginger, my turmeric. I plant my porridge and my thing and boil my bush, then my dandelion root. My meringue, my neem, them things and pack them up. Drink my fever grass. Because I don't drink sugar, tea, I don't put sugar in the tea. Years. We just boil the tea them and drink. Yeah.
I know what I meant, man.
Yeah, man.
You say, Screechie, say, you don't really get enough out of I think still, but what would you say is your single greatest achievement along the musical journey so far?
I live somewhere.
I live somewhere. Give thanks.
Because I see some man will go hard and I still not live nowhere. And nobody now knock my door.
Give thanks.
Yeah,
is
man.
there anything musical you not achieve yet, or you still hope to achieve?
Enough more, no music big, enough more thing, man.
Enough more things.
One big hit, man, and go cross, go billboard, man, and them thing, them. I mash up the place and work, man, I make enough money, I want some whole heap of suck, man.
Yes.
Because I watch enough.
Like you like
Even
one
the
things.
the new youth, them are young, you know.
Yeah.
We're coming, you know. Them now waste not like we, you know.
No.
Because them learn, what we never learn, we never
Them
learn
learn
the
it,
business
right.
part. So them youth learn the business part.
Same thing with that.
I will not fight none of youth, them all love
Right.
look at youth, them, but we want the youth them for the more the youth them to keep it clean, you know what I mean?
Right.
And more time, you can DJ about gun everything, you know, but how you DJ about it, you know. And no gun thing now make no youth and nobody go turn the youth them a DJ. More time hear them about how the youth them a DJ, how the youth them a DJ. Remember enough things show up on TV too, you know. And the youth them watch it, you know. And people don't can just go up on YouTube and see a man go so and thing. Just like how...
The music influence you still Screechie?
Nah, man.
Yeah,
really,
man.
No,
Yeah,
go
man.
turn no gun, man. Then you tell turn gunman, man.
Me I say it again, I can hear.
That him come
say
out for
music
me.
influence on youth Screechie. Me I tell you. It says a teacher, we're there on the youth them, the music do a lot to the youth
Yeah,
them
because you hear the youth,
brother.
them a sing the music.
And I see how them behave,
They say
bro.
must sing the music, but they must sing the music. I know the music. At them.
At them.
The
Alright,
music
sir.
not in life. At them. At the end of the day.
All right, boss.
You see me I deal with?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the youth, them, man. Cause come listen to a few of the youth, them, you know. Yeah, man, I'm like the youth, them, man. I'm listening to the youth, them, man.
Anybody in particular you listen more than anybody?
No, I'm listening to all of it, but you see youth and I'm alkali.
Alka.
I like when BJ, I'm about range. I'm listening to him, you know.
A bad artist, man.
Yeah, man,
You
I'm
can't
a
go around that.
ranger. Popcorn, how are you? My respect to Popcorn, man. Yeah, cause it's that one more time. He music some of my joke and I'm shut the place. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do song, you say you do song with Frisco. You say you do song with other people. But is there anybody who you never work with yet on a song where you then love going to the studio go do a song with one day?
No, but all my things in our music, you know. Any artist that want to voice a song with them time already, me just pack up and me pack up the rhythm
And
and
go deal with
so,
it.
yeah, no man now say, no.
Yeah, but is there anybody you then look for, you then want to work with the artist there? If me was a DJ, me then want to sing a song with Barry Salmon.
Yeah, everybody wants to.
If me was a singer, me then want to do a song with Bounty Killer as a DJ. You understand what I'm saying? So, which artist?
If you even notice, you know what time, if you even notice video, even we are Elias part of the video there. We did it when the video
Right.
was shoot, you know. and we nobody put yourself in the video. Sometimes you see in one video, because we always we have our program and our aim. Nobody
You know,
not put myself in a
right.
Yeah. So that's why when the youth them see me, them say, Screechie, you look so young. Because if you don't have nothing to do on this, so nobody got enough up. So just keep yourself scared, so you always look like you when you come out.
You still not give me artists you want to work with the Screechie, and I think me forget.
You know, say man when I work with big time thing is Jimmy Cliff.
Jimmy?
Yeah. I would have work with Barrister, but Barrister my friend, and more time Barrister called me, I'm going to check him, man. Joke and them thing that we laugh one night and we and him down there do some dub and him say Screechie put on the inch there.
Yes.
Barrister my godfather too, man.
Yeah, man.
Run him on them man and say, that's strength. Hey, and thing, I'm ready for it. Every artist love me, man. All of the artists love me. And it's really can't like how me turn on Marlon Samuel in an artist. The cricketer. I never know me 30 with the artist.
No?
Yeah, man. I'm a Dan, man. I'm a bad DJ. None of the athlete them. We are DJ. None of them we
can't DJ
no
like
cricketer,
Marlon.
no runner. Marlon I bodies. Him sound like a real artist. Enough time I tell him so Trim not take it serious. So him take it serious and go all out. I'm boss as an artist, man. And I'm bad.
Tell Marlon below his sus, brother. That
You
Marlon
know
did do.
Remember, as a man, if you watch a clip, you see him saying out or something. Me and him did all the vibes and me all lean back asleep. Him video me and him send it up. Yeah. So everything he loves saying out. I feel him
Okay,
think
I never
that,
know say on him roll like that, brother.
I'm a
I
Dan,
not
man.
really watch enough. Brother, I not really get involved with certain things on social
Only thing
media.
me now for
still.
Marlon somewhere else
Yeah.
is a key. But in time I go inside, me have key because me there inside all about.
Yeah.
Him mother like me, him family man, him friend. I'm a Dan man, him man, and me and inspire man.
Man.
But you know friendship, or more time, if you look a while, we not link back.
Yeah,
we still
man.
linking, but
Yeah.
we not link closer then, but we still link. Our phone now wear and thing, and more time I just call and say, what I go on and wear and thing. Remember, you know, we say sex dealing, man, the body's cologne, man. You know, use one eye cologne it.
No, sir.
You need to find him and go talk to him and get one eye cologne, man.
All right,
90 years, see.
The US.
Bad. Because Europe it go make the people who make the creek make it, you know.
Yeah. You say you did learn for the body work.
Yeah, man, I can hear and put a good man pan vehicle, man, and rub it down with the sander machine, man, and well, man.
But you have been doing
I
music.
can do acetylene welding too, and I can do electrical.
Acetylene, yeah?
Yeah, man, then them things that we go
So
learn,
if
man.
it was the music, that would be the
I have a
thing.
big garage, man. I still on a ton crook, man. I have a big garage and some people I work with, man.
Yeah. We
And
believe
my
you,
brother
man.
was a big mechanic. The man there, I'm first around taxi from my big mechanic. I'm telling him, I can't buy the grease. So I buy a can and them time there and start run taxi from over Mall to Waterford. I first man I run a taxi, a ladder.
Yeah.
Station wagon, a taxi from this one to over Waterford. Yeah, because 2009 I moved from Portmore. You know. From 84 them time, I there Portmore. Ricky General and Mega, all of them out there usually look up. Now we face Terry Fabulous, all of them out there. How are you? Because when I come here, professor, that's the big
Right.
lecturer named Daddy Manley.
Lecture.
Him named Daddy Manley them time. Tell him not to change his name. Pain Avenue in Compass. So he left town with our jammings with the people, the lyrics and come over Portmore. When me I tell people about professor, not all the jammings, you know. When I tell people about professor, not all the jammings, you know. They must say, you have to have a little country. I say, no, I youth over there bad. So Kilimanjaro and GT I go play. Ultima them rich brother they own VP so GT sound. So Kilimanjaro everybody around there. Boo January Supercat everybody around there. So we are telling them man about the brother at Portmore. And he come check nuts and give us US dollar. And nuts come. Everything they do over Jara and CC Sport Club half a 3 road man. One Sunday night dance man. Yeah man. Nuts come hard man.
Yes.
Yeah man.
You say Papa said the greatest DJ you know.
Papa son, I'm professional, so I
And
told you, man.
professionals.
'Cause what people don't know, you know, a 3 bad DJ, you know. So Stitch you have to left them 2 man over here, so.
And go
One at
by
Spanish Town.
That's
Stitch
why
come
I
from
said-
Spanish Town and go over town and beat everything around a town and get big. And couldn't sparks amongst them 2 man. Because what you going when nuts got Spanish Town, you know, different thing, you know. When sun come up, more different
Different
thing. You know.
thing,
Them see nuts keep on I return from foreign man in my yard, man, never forgot, man. And sun come, they come kill the man in my yard, man. I vex the whole night, big. I say, John, the man come at the man birthday party. And kill the man in my yard, man. Yeah, man.
It's just that.
Yeah, man. Because when I look at youth, you know, the DJ name Ranking Joe.
Ranking Joe. Boro tell about him.
Baddest thing.
So
Him start
Boro say-
DJ from them time, yeah. So 82 children have to pass for Gambia. Emperor very symbolic down the south PR Empire field. When the man start holding the mic, dada. Ranking Joe, but the greatest DJ pass through dancehall boy is Nicodemus. Another era there.
Yeah.
Road range had bad too. No man can ride with him like him. Till he come back around the era tree car. Even Jammins. Different from Beanie Man, Risto Benji. And them look at you there. Screechy Joe, Derek Iron, Roddy Iron, Penny Iron, Power now, Baby Way. Because Power them now come after me.
Great scale.
Yeah, Power usually beg me for come around and exclusive water house as look at you. Because even Power man. And Power brother make sling thing, you know. Noel, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I see my look work for Power, so I say, Noel, oh you can play rhythm. And I walk and look for Power and Power about DJ. I say, Power, you can get the work. I say, Power, left the work. Vice for something different. I say, go look rhythm for you. You can play rhythm. For you play rhythm and bust the youth, you go look work for him. I say, Power, left the work and go to music.
Yeah.
And Power them left it, yeah man. The gate man a jammings man push down the everywhere man, because if you go in a jam is hard for going, you know. When Mappy and Baxter and the man they say move from the gate. If you don't move from the gate, them just lick you down flat, you know. And still they come. And see the gate man display everywhere and say, yeah, push down the little youth. Say, look at you, you can DJ and be and say, yes, father. And him say, Power, when you and Penny come check me, carry the look at you and steal the car baby and tell him, say, you see him will push you down here, sir. The next time you see him see you back down here, sir, he might go let you in wide. He might go pull the gate and let you in wide because you're a ton star. Come up at the studio. And still they make gigi and put 3 tunes on it. Now the whole Stone, Mama, 3 song it, Gabriel and Ton Star. When he come back down there, he said, brother, I open gate wide, kind of big star the man. Yeah, man.
Brother, for the people out there who want to get Screechy Joe, for dub plates and stuff, how they go about that?
Yeah, ScreechyJoe@gmail.com.
ScreechyJoe@gmail.com.
Instagram, Screechy Joe said it. Screechy Joe work for anything. My phone number, 1876-451-3551. So you can contact me on that thing there. For dub plate. You see me I say? I don't know a Screechy. I have a new thing when I come out and to it.
Run it now, man.
Man fi strong, turn loaders to me car from Woodland. Jump on a fire in a my right hand. Which part me dash it me say over Vatican. Sing me song. So the people them a ask me say, who is this man? Selassie I son, not the man of Babylon. And me is the man with the inspiration. Come to teach you people them me so down as Zion. Send the youth them go to Sufa with them meditation. Tell the big man them will offer meditation. Just put me out of the street as the chosen one. So you go on the street, go send the information. And teach you people them from some different nation. Through me strong. Turn loader through me car from Woodland. It name into myself, say me into myself, say the people them a ball, say me too much on myself. So me buy a big house and house myself. Get some money and money myself. Get a pretty car and car myself. Buy a plane ticket and ticket myself. Then me jump on a plane and plane myself. Land a airport and plate myself. Then me touch up on the beach and beat myself. Well a fat butter weed and weed myself. Then me get some any and any myself. Then me get a fitting machine and fit myself.
You know me
That one I name 9. 99 time, me name 99 time, 99, so now play this 99 time, 99 time, me name 99 time, 99, so now play 99, me have 99 lyrics with 99 rhyme, 99 phone with 99 line, 99 girl come me 99 times, she give me 99 hug, 99 wine, she academic me commit 99 crime, then lock me in a jail 99 time, then charge me for 99 fine, yeah man, a 99. I me say low John, I me say low, you know, hear the whole place I say, low them a live.
Yeah,
Then I me the low ba low. Enough of them guys, them a live in a low. Pass in a church, them a get in a spirit and a shout out, Hallelujah. Then say me buy a Chris Benz, a Chris Baby low. Latest edition say 5 pint low. You don't check me, me we check you. Went downtown, fi go buy some color low. See a fat woman we a sing like Miss Lou. See a sing a song make we go low below. Want some bitters me go check Bagaloo. Mr. Papa me yard up a Waterloo. Put in a movie star by John Lou. Just by such a diamond roast Tampa Lou. Yeah man.
Low.
Oh man. Yeah man.
History teacher.
And for the sound man them too. That one I name. Can't get to it. In name, no can't get to it. If you no try play me sound, man, no can't get to it. Can't get to it. Me say, no can't get to it. If you no try play me sound, man, no can't get. You coulda jump over the fence. Can't get to it. Coulda run out of the dance. Can't get to it. Stab you up with a knife. Can't get to it. So me shot you with a gun. Can't get to it. So no matter where you run, so you can't get to me. Tell tall man, lock the gate and put on the key. That sound over there, so done dead already. In name can't get to it. So no link up, remember I know. 876-455-1351. Teach them! Make it reach them. Yeah, man.
Brother. Give thanks, man. My guy, history class and back, brother.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks. I appreciate the reason, brother. You know, it's been a long time for you, but a whole heap of difference. That's just Jarex. Big up yourself for the brothers. I say, man, young and clean and fresh, sir.
Yeah, man.
But be a camera bad.
Yeah, man. We'll let it go. Teach him now go look back in her life, cause him no love what I go on. Him girl left him, through him run out a can. She move out in fridge and in TV and gone. Which part she gone, me say over Greenwich Farm. Choop, me say she gone in a train. Gone live with a old man, me say we over Spain. When teach him hear that, me know him a feel pain. Teach him. We say the more girl you get, the more girl you want. You are done in the town and you have the talk. You have them know and you have them pack up. Me looking at the streets and me see them bungle up. So when me look, me see them from all angle. Girl in rectangle and in triangle. Me even see the girl in my farmer circle. And one thing with them say they have a title. Cause the more girl me get, the more girl me want. And that, all of the girl with a fat piece of property jump around and dance and show me. When we talk about property, me no mean they want a country where grow ackee tree, coffee, cane and jelly. All them sang, yo, I'm a bad me, girl, you am a bad me, you want me there, I'm still last to me, hey, she me there, I'm still last to my girl. Put up your hand if your arm not frozen. You take it down with some little already, girl, you am a bad me, girl, you am a. Each them a touch the road, the girl, them say him unique. Girl, them see him, them on the front of the Jeep, yeah. I teach them I do it. She want the big tree stump fi sink in her front. When the girl a get him and she don't stop grunt. Big tree stump fi sink in her front. When the girl a get him and she don't stop grunt. Under the tree stump. And the girl no stop grunt. Car. She tell me say that she tired of the rattler. She tell me say she no want no home turn. I want the big tree stump fi sink in her front. Up there. Big up all of the producer, them King Jammins. Steely and Cleve, you know, say I'm a home that. Jad Thomas, Marvin, Linval Thompson. So the thing go. All producer from Jamaica. So we do the thing. Screechy Joe said that. Remember them song, IP type of gun with some IP type of shot. IP type of shot fi shot out them head back. You build a funeral spot. Me have me IP type 16 and me IP type Glock. IP type Taurus with the magazine pack. Right on the clock and we are both IP shot. Some guy must have believe a water come out of that.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.